Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Java Knowledge for Jobs. Please like and share this video. Subscribe this channel for getting notification of new video. Thank you. Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to remove duplicates from given integer array. So we will start our programming. So see, I have created one method remove duplicate, which one is taking parameter as integer array and also returning integer array as a return type. So what we are going to do is we are creating another int array, which one we name it result, right? So whatever the array coming through the parameter in this method, we are going to sort it. So from this sorted array, what we will check is we will check that if previous value is same as next value, then remove one, because after sorting, if the number is repeating, means that one is duplicate. So like that we are going to remove that, and we will update it also accordingly. So just we have to start the coding. So take one for loop. So we are going to iterate through this loop up to the length of this array. So it's better to give array dot length actually, so that one will be better. Yeah, now see, we are checking it if previous means array for current iteration, whatever the value inside the array at each iteration, if it is not equal to previous value, then put inside the result array, which one we are going to return it. So we are storing it. So for first position we are directly storing it. We are going from second position, that one is means second index, that one is 1. So if it is not equal to previous, then directly put it. So go again and change previous equal to array first position. So this one is the value. So whatever inside in array of I, put it inside the previous. So like that. Now what it is going to do is firstly we will print for checking that it is sorting it or not. So on arrays static arrays class static method, we will call toString, and see, we have already sorted it, so it will print sorted array. Now again we are going to print the result, because for each iteration we are doing this one. So after this we are returning the result. So save it and see, check if it is running or not. See, we are creating the object of this class and calling this method with integer array. So run as. See, this one is the array after sorting. So how many? 2 are 2 times, 3 2 times, 4 also 2 times, and 5 also 2 times. So see, it is removing. 4 is of 3 times. See, yeah, see, 4 is 3 times, so it is giving only single one and this one. So this one is work. So next we are going to learn for next we are remove. See here we have used already predefined method for sorting, so we will write our own method, not by sorting, just whichever it is duplicate we are going to remove it. So we will take two for loops, means for loop inside for loop. So like that we are going to write our own method. So we will write our own method for removing duplicates. Yeah, so here what we have done is we have created our own method. So see what we are doing, we are taking one for loop, so iterating over the array. So we will check at every index. So we will if it is repeated, then where it is repeated, there we are going to put 0, otherwise we will leave it if it is not repeated. So we have taken one for loop inside for loop. So what we are doing is inside inner for loop we are initializing j value as I plus 1, because every time inside the loop for inner loop we are not repeating the whole array, we are just going ahead from whatever the value of I is. So like that we are going to repeat it. So what we will do, if at j position, if its value is equal to 0, then we are going to continue from the loop, we are not going to do anything. Otherwise, if array at position I and array of position j both are same, then put the value to 0. So we are putting it 0. Like that we are going to remove it. So now we are going to print the value. See, like that we are printing the array value, because we have now removed this one, removed the duplicates from the array. So what we are going to do is, now we are going to print it. So sorry, I'm going to run it and we will check. So we have to run it also. So print out our own method. So pass the same array and we will look at, save it and run it. So see, by on array we have removed it, but in this one the position of the array is same. See, 1 second is there, third is there, now again 2 is coming, so it's 0, again 3 is coming, so it's 0, 4 first time coming, so it's there, 5 is also first time, again 2 times 4 means it is repeated, so both are 0, and again 5, so last 3 are 0. So it's working fine. So like that we can remove the duplicates. So for the programs you can see the whole screen. So first one we are removing with by sorting, and second one we are removing it by our own method by iterating the whole loop. We have taken for loop inside for loop, and we are traversing it and checking the duplicates, and like that if duplicate is there we are putting the value to 0 if it is repeated. So thank you. Thank you for watching this video.